Okay, so to start with this project, you need to install Unity. And Unity is a free program for personal individual user. Okay, so let's get started. So simply just Google Unity or just type unity.com. It will bring you to their homepage. So let's click on Get Started. Okay, so as you can see, for beginner and personal use, the program is free. So we click on Get Started for free. Okay, you can click on the new user. It will bring you to a tutorial page. I'm just going to show you how to install the program. So I'll click on experienced user. So it will take us straight to on the installing page. So let's click on accept terms and download Unity Hub. Okay. Unity Hub is kind of like a manager program for installing Unity. It's not the actual program. Okay, so we'll install Unity Hub and install it. Okay, so I already have it installed, so I'll just open Unity Hub to show you how to do the next step, how to install Unity by using Unity Hub. Okay, so Unity Hub is now opening. Here we go. Okay, still loading. Give it a second. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you can see three different tabs on the side. Project is where later on where you create new project and how you can open the previous project you created. It might be blank if you haven't started working on any of the project. So let's click on Learn next, just showing you what's in here. Learn, you will find different projects and tutorials that is kind of default in Unity. So they actually have some like very interesting and pretty well organized tutorial. Could be pretty helpful for you if you want to see the instruction in here. Okay, so just some like resources and tutorial that you can use for you to get more familiar with the program. Okay, next let's click on the third tab, which is install. This is where you need to install the actual project. Again, it might be completely blank if this is the first time you download Unity. Okay, so in order to install the version of the Unity, you click on add. Okay, so Unity have like they actually release new like version very frequently. You can see in like 1 year they release like 3 different versions. So if you watch this tutorial like later than 2019, you might see newer release on the list. So just click on the newest version that is available, and then you click on next. Okay, so this is the part that could be a little bit confusing, but I want to go over with you. So in order to complete our project, to explore your Unity game and make it viewable on the internet, you need to check this WebGL build support. Okay, so that way you can upload your Unity game on the platform itch.io. Okay, so you make sure WebGL build is checked. And in case the WebGL build didn't work in your project, some people have some like different setting or that WebGL might not fit their requirement. Then the backup to submit your project is the Mac build support. So also make sure you check Mac build. Okay, if you're using a Mac, this is all you need, just the Mac build support and the WebGL build. And the documentation is the actual file. So make sure you also have that checked. If you're working on a PC or a Windows, the same, or Linux, you can check Windows build support and Linux build support just for your own use. I don't have access other than a Mac, so for turning in the project, you need to check, make sure WebGL build and Mac build is checked. Okay, so if you're done, hit done, and then it should be, did I click on it wrong? Okay, so, okay, here we go. So now after you hit done, Unity will be installed. Okay, so it will be open after it's finished installing. This is a older version I downloaded earlier. If you didn't download the right like build support and you want to add it after you have the program installed, simply just click on add module, and then they will take you back to this window so you can check the one that you need to install. Okay, again, the requirement is the Mac build and the WebGL build.